Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to explain our new project, Universal Village. Our UV project in Kitanakagusuku has actually started construction. We would like to introduce our UV project in Kitanakagusuku, as well as our challenge NFT product sales. NFT products are completely new product developed by EMRO and sold by Ryubo Groups. The first issue is a crowdfunding product to commemorate Universal Village, and we would appreciate your cooperation. In the Universal Village project, the EM Research Organization and the village of Kitanakagusuku are collaborating on an ongoing initiative, which represents the first phase of the promotion of health and welfare through harnessing agriculture in Kitanakagusuku village. In this initial phase of the project, we draw inspiration from the concept of Universal Village proposed by Professor Ichiro Masaki of MIT. Professor Masaki suggests that the problems humanity needs to solve should be addressed through the collaborative efforts of scientists and companies. And the solution should be referred to as Universal Village. We embrace the spirit of cooperation rather than competition and are working toward a solution for urban waste recycling by applicating EM technology and gathering expertise from various other industries. The Universal Village is divided into 6 phases. The first phase is an agricultural infrastructure facility utilizing biogas power generation. The second stage is a commercial area, including an agricultural produce market, like a farmer's market, and an agricultural produce cafe. The third stage is health promotion facilities, such as hospitals that utilize agriculture. There will be a biogas power generation facility, a biostimulant manufacturing facility, an EM cultivation facility, an ICT, solar hydroponic cultivation facility, a school children's farm, and management office included. BioCycle Center is a facility that integrates a methane power generation facility, biostimulant manufacturing facility, digests recycling unit, microbial cultivation facility, and management office. EM will be utilized in all process at this center, including during construction. The facility will utilize electricity and organic fertilizer produced by the BioCycle Center. In addition to the latest EM technology like gravitation charcoals, solar energy will be used for hydroponically growing tomatoes and various other vegetables. These vegetables will be available to purchase at the cafe and restaurant in Kitanakagusuku and at the farmers market scheduled for phase 2 of this project. Students from the nearby elementary school will have an opportunity to learn and interact as part of the environmental and social studies curriculum at BioSquare Community Plaza. And the children's farm also, by using food waste from the school's meals for biogas power generation, students can engage in experimental learning by cultivating crops while learning about local and sustainable agriculture, including food education. Construction of various facilities in phase 1 is progressing well. Test operation will start in the summer of 2024, and the facilities are scheduled to open in April 2025. We will appreciate your visiting in Okinawa, and then thank you very much for your time.